Hello children, welcome to Akshada Public School Vijaypur, Grade 5 Computer Digital Learning Platform. I am Sneha Hiremut, Computer Teacher. Today I am going to introduce Chapter 1 Evolution of Computers and going to discuss early calculating devices. Children, be ready with your computer textbook, worksheet, pencil and an eraser. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to appreciate the early IT inventors. We are learning to know and describe early calculating devices. Children, let us begin our topic, evolution of computers. Every aspect of our life in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as a computer. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to performing only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Children, do you know how a computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestone in the journey leading to the evolution of the present day computer. History of computer. The need to keep track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented, leading to the development of computers. Children, let us begin with early calculating devices. 3000 BC abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations. It was developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame consisting of rods, each having beads in them. The frame was divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven had 2 beads and each rod in earth had 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Children, still many of them, they will use abacus kit for learning and doing basic arithmetic operations. Let us move to Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels and dials. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. Children, a taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Hope you understood Pascal adding machine. Let's move to Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, invented the mechanical device called Leibniz calculator in 1671. It was an improvisation on Pascal's machine. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division and find square roots. Analytical engine. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. These units worked much like the modern computer. All the computers used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Children, analytical engine was developed by Charles Babbage. Mark 1. Howard Aiken was the engineer in IBM, developed the first automatic sequence controlled calculator Mark I. Mark I was developed in 1944. It was capable of executing long computations automatically. Children, full form of IBM is International Business Machines. The Mark I was developed in first generations of computers. Children, hope you understood these topics. Let us solve one activity based on these topics. Identify and write the name of the following early calculating devices in the box given below. Children, here we have 5 images of early calculating devices. We have to identify their name and write it in the provided box. Let me do two for you. Can you guess, children? What is the name of this image? Yes, you are right. It is Mark I. Can you guess this? You will do it on your own, these 3. Let me do this one for you. Can you guess, children, this one? Yes, it is tabulating machine. Hope you understood this activity. Let me end our session with home play. Read about calculating devices and draw neat mind map on the calculating devices in computer notebook. Children, refer computer textbook page number 6 and 7. Thank you. Bye, children.